Hey, this is Brandon with My Tennessee Home Solution. Are you considering selling your home and wondering if a home buying company can be a solution for you? I'd like to share a story with you that might help you make that determination. A couple from Bethpage, Tennessee, had relocated to Florida over 20 years ago and had been renting their property to the same tenant that entire time. When the tenant let them know he was going to be relocating closer to family, they decided the time had come to sell. In spite of their tremendous experience with renovating and selling real estate, they simply weren't interested in taking on the project of making this property market ready from several states away. After a handful of conversations, we were able to put together an agreement that allowed their tenant the time they needed to finish packing and vacate the property, while we handled the rest and wired them their funds at closing. If you're a landlord looking for a simpler option to sell your rental property as is, My Tennessee Home Solution buys homes for cash, fast, and with zero fees. Reach out to us, and we'd be happy to chat about your situation.
We'll buy your home today, no need to delay. My Tennessee Home Solution.